In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes in Canada using TurboTax online. Filing your taxes may seem daunting, but with TurboTax, the process is streamlined and straightforward, ensuring you can complete this task with confidence and ease. So let's get started. First, you will need to visit the official TurboTax website. This is where you'll start your tax filing journey. Once you've reached their homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click this to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. The sign up process is simple, requiring only basic information such as your email and a secure password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the TurboTax home. Here you'll be presented with several options, but our focus today is the tax filing section. You'll want to click on the Review/Edit option. This section is crucial as it allows you to double check all your previous entries and make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Next, you'll arrive at the Personal Profile section. This is where you input your personal information. It includes your name, address, and social insurance number. It's important to enter all information accurately to avoid any issues later on. Double check everything before moving on, ensuring that all your details are correct and align with any official documents you have. Now, let's move on to reporting your income. This section is one of the most important parts of filing your taxes. Make sure you have all your income documents handy, such as T4 slips if you're employed and any other relevant forms for additional income sources. Enter each income stream accurately into the designated fields. TurboTax provides step-by-step guidance through this process, so take your time and follow it closely. After reporting your income, it's time to enter your tax information. Here you will input details like deductions, credits, and expenses. Make sure you have any relevant receipts or statements ready. TurboTax will prompt you with questions like whether you have RRSP contributions, student loan interest, or medical expenses, making it easier to claim everything you're eligible for. And there you have it. Once you've completed all these sections, TurboTax will review your information and prepare your tax return. You'll be able to see a summary before you file, allowing you to make any final adjustments. When you're satisfied everything is correct, follow the prompts to file your return. TurboTax will guide you through the submission process to ensure it reaches the Canada Revenue Agency securely. By following these steps, you've successfully filed your taxes in Canada using TurboTax online. Make sure to keep a copy of your filed return for your records. With TurboTax, even a task as complex as tax filing becomes manageable and stress-free. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to a successful tax filing experience.